So for me in Tsering, we feel very honored and fortunate that Yongdzin Rinpoche has recognized Senghe as a reincarnated teacher, a very important teacher of Menri Kundun. So at a very young age, when he was like 2 years old, even earlier, he always been very showed so much interest in the monks' clothes with monks, the prayers, the instruments, and every time he has opportunity, he will love to play the drum, sing the prayer. Sometime, early in the morning. Yeah, there was a lot of special signs that we felt.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
And he did not know anything just a week before, and we told him this is what is happening, and he said, oh, so when the enthronement is going to happen? And we said in a few days. He said, no, let's do it faster, let's do it sooner. So he was kind of very enthusiastic and very much there together.
Oh yeah, that is. Oh yeah.
The process of the ceremony was beautiful, and even it was very simple, not too much formal, but it was very heartfelt, very warm kind of ceremony. And even during the ceremony, knowing Senghe, that he's very hyper active, and we were a little worried that he will not able to sit during the enthronement up there, but he was like an instant transformation of, he almost like became another person, trying to sit there, trying to bow and trying to looking at people's eye. It was very impressed, Tsering, and we look at each other and we kind of laugh that he was able to do that. We are happy, and we were trying to do our best, trying to educate him, respect him and educate him so that he can serve and be helpful for others in the future.